guys, it's Matty from NoMapsNeededTravel here. So today's video is an actual tutorial on how to book your dining using Dine My Way in the Princess Ocean Medallion app. Now, in our previous video, which I'll link somewhere up here, we gave you guys a step-by-step informational guide on Dine My Way and the new procedure of what Princess is doing to use Dine My Way within the Ocean Medallion app on their ships ongoing. But before we continue that, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, but most of all, share this video. If you have other individuals or friends or family or coworkers or whoever you may know that's going on a Princess Cruise that doesn't know yet about Dine My Way, share this video with them. That would be greatly appreciated. That is actually the best support that you guys can give us is by hitting subscribe, like, sharing, and ringing the notification bell. So we're going to jump right into it. Scott is going to quickly show us how to actually physically book everything that you need to know and everything that you need to do for Dine My Way via Ocean Medallion for Princess. Scott, take it away.
Hey everybody, it's Scott from NoMapsNeededTravel. Today I want to walk you through the new feature of Dine My Way on the Medallion class app for Princess Cruises. The first thing you need to do is download the app onto your device. Then you will open the app as shown here. So once you're in the app, you will see the home screen, and it will show all the different sections that you can scroll through and get yourself ocean ready. We will get into each of these sections in a future tutorial, but for now, let's focus on the new Dine My Way portion. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see Maddie's profile picture. If you have multiple cruises booked, you can click on that profile picture and pick the cruise you're planning your dining for. For this selection, we've chosen to do dining for our Hawaiian cruise next year. Just above the middle of the screen, you'll see two circles. The one on the left is the shortcut to Dine My Way. So let's click that button and get started. Once you're in the Dine My Way portion, you'll see you have three options to personalize your dining. The first one is reserve for the same time each day. You can view or book individual daily reservations, or you can order for delivery with Ocean Now while you're on board. So the easiest way to start is to reserve for the same time each day. Then you can go in and make adjustments to individual days afterwards. So you're going to click on Reserve for the same time each day. Click on the Evening button. Once it loads, you will see the travelers in your party. You can always add more guests by clicking the Add Guest button. You will need to know their booking number and able to add anybody onto your party. So since we're traveling with family, we just need to click on their pictures and a green check mark will appear to show that they're going to be dining with us. Once you've selected all members of your dining party, click Continue. The app then selects the best available dining room for the number of people you have selected. You can now change the time of your dining by clicking on the down arrow next to the time. By doing this, you will see all the dining times that are available to you. So maybe you don't want to eat dinner at 5 p.m. You can go ahead and select whichever time in the list you would like. We decided for 6:20. Now that we've selected the time, you will see that we are seated in the Michelangelo dining room at 6:20 for a table for 4. If that's your final selection, you can go ahead and confirm your reservation. Now our dining is set for the 2 weeks. Next, I'll walk you through how to make a booking with an individual daily reservation. First, click Individual Daily Reservations. So on the top of the screen, you will see all the nights of your cruise. You can scroll through them just by holding down and scrolling. So let's book dining for the first night of our cruise. So click on that date in the top of the screen. Next, you'll have the option of main dining room and buffet or specialty dining. Since we want to eat in the main dining room, click on Main Dining Room and Buffet. Next, you'll be prompted to select your dining party. So as you can see, it picks the best available dining venue for your party. Now you can go ahead and adjust the time that you would like to dine. And once you've selected the time, be sure to confirm your reservation. And just like that, you've set your dining time for the first night of your cruise. Now you can go in and do the same process for each night of your cruise. You will have the option to change the time each individual night if you would like. So you can also use this feature to book specialty dining. Now let's look at how we can do that. To do that, let's select Book Individual Daily Dining. Next, you'll select Specialty Dining option. Next, you'll be asked to select the members of your dining party. Once confirmed, you will see all the specialty dining options available to you on board your ship. We want to book the Crown Grill, so we're going to select the time that we want to dine next to the Crown Grill button. Once you've confirmed your time, click on Crown Grill. The next screen shows your confirmation of dining time. This is where you have to either put in your credit card information to pay for the dining experience, or if you have dining credit, the option will show up to use that. Once you've entered in all your credit card information, don't forget to confirm your reservation. So just as easy as it is to make a reservation, you can quickly cancel a reservation. All you need to do is go into your individual daily dining and select the day that you would like to cancel the dining for. You will see the Cancel Reservation button come up. All you need to do is click that, and then you'll get a confirmation screen just to confirm that you want to cancel. So the last option is Order for Delivery with Ocean Now. This is something that's only available while on board the ship. By selecting this function, you can have food delivered to you anywhere on the ship, kind of like Uber Eats on the ocean. Lastly, I want to touch on the preferences under the Ocean Ready profile. The Preferences section has many different options for you to adjust your personalization of your cruise. There are some dining options in this list which are very important. The first one is the allergens section, where you can list different food allergies so that it will let your maitre d' and your dining staff know all of the things you're allergic to. The second one that's important is the dining option. So you can select diet options that show vegan, vegetarian, if you're gluten-free, if you're diabetic, all these options are in there. If you click Next on that screen, you can choose your dining pace. You can choose slow, relaxed, or fast. This is the pace at which you want your dining experience to go. So I know everybody's wondering when you can access your Dine My Way reservations. Well, you get access to book your reservations once your cruise is paid in full. If you are an elite or platinum member, you will have early access. So once you have made a deposit on your booking, you'll be able to access your Dine My Way. For suite and club class guests with a deposit on their booking, they'll be able to do the same. Currently, if you had an existing booking before June 7th, 2021, even if it wasn't in final payment, you will have access to book your Dine My Way reservations right away. Hopefully through this tutorial, you were able to see how easy it is to book your dining with Dine My Way. You can have your entire 2-week cruise booked within 2 minutes. It's so easy to use, and it's really neat that you're able to adjust the dining the way you want to have it. You can dine at a different time and a different venue every single night. You can make changes on the fly. You can be in a port and change the time that you're going to dine that evening. It's just that easy. Well, that's it for me, you guys. Let's throw it back to Matty.
Wow, so simple, right? It's intriguing and interesting to see how advanced cruise dining has now continued to be. When we played around with it, we technically have a few sailings underneath our belt for 2022. But when we looked and played around with it, we actually found it gets easier as you do multiple sailings and you do multiple types of dining. But I think it's going to be a good thing. I honestly think it's going to be an awesome thing. And I know there's still a lot of skeptics out there going, well, you know what? I don't like bringing my phone with me. How do I do it? Like, you can do it on your stateroom. You can do it with a individual that works for the cruise line. So a staff member, they can help you set everything up. But I give it a thumbs up. I've noticed that there is a little bit of glitches, as it should be. It's a brand new pilot program for them, so there will be a little bit of glitches at time. But I think it's a complete thumbs up. I think it's a really great thing to offer, to have. It's going to be amazing. So we're excited to try it out ourselves, not only in our sailings for 2022, but we might have a sailing sooner than later. But we're not going to give up that sailing quite yet. We're excited to be doing hopefully something very soon, all based, of course, on our Canadian government and when the border restrictions open up. So cross our fingers for that. But once that happens and it's all thumbs up a go, we will give you guys the complete detail and the complete procedures on how everything works, the Dine My Way while we're on the ship. And not only that is also everything the new Ocean Medallion offers. So what do you guys think about it? Truly, sound off in the comments below. We would love to hear what your guys' aspect is. And yeah, we're super excited about it. Truly super excited about it. As I said in the beginning of the video, we really would appreciate if you guys would hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit the like button. But not only that, is share this out to any individual that you might know that's heading on a Princess Cruise quite soon, and show them what Dine My Way is like. Like I said previously before, that's actually one of the best things that we could get from any of you guys is that like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share. Well, on behalf of us here at NoMapsNeededTravel, my name is Matty, and Scott, thank you for doing that video tutorial. But other than that, as we always say here, let adventure guide you. No maps needed.